Folks, we got a main line backup for sure, but the laundry standpipe is also backing up. So we're gonna start with the main line first in hopes to maybe relieve the laundry standpipe. Try to save this lady a little bit of money. Worst case scenario, we have to cable both of them. Watch how fast I put this down there. Whoop. Just leave that alone. Make sure that we going in the right way. So we are. I know we're gonna end up putting some more cable on here.
Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out with something to prove. Drip, 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 drip.
You was about to do this? You didn't want to. You didn't want to. What kind of snake you got? Yeah, man, you didn't want none of this.
Like I thought, I didn't know whether or not it was crop or drain, but I'm thinking it's crop or the drain because all that goddamn material stuff coming out of the washing machine.
And so she got a couple of things going on. And so the main line is blocked up. When you flush, nothing comes out here. It comes up in that floor drain down in the basement, toilet paper and feces. But also out of the top of the laundry standpipe, it's stopped up too.
What about the stack?
Which stack? The 4-inch stack? And so that's right here. And so when she flush, it comes up in the basement out the floor drain. It don't come out here. It should come out here. It's coming up, all the feces and stuff coming up in the basement. So that's why we cabling this. But also the laundry standpipe down there that the wash machine dumps into.
That motherfucker clogged up too. That's what made me think that all that the shit from the wash machine, the lint and stuff going down in that clogging it up too.
Man, it's probably it's loaded because I'm in about 65, 68 feet right now, and I can't get any further. I think I'm all the way at that stack, but it's gonna be a matter of me going back and forth, loosening up that sludge until it breaks free. That's what we looking at.
Definitely gonna happen, man. Shit, you might need to get some water because put it up while you talk.
Some what? Some water? Nah, that's gonna mess my cable up. Yeah. Nah, not at all. I like to see that one. Straight up. They don't make bigger cable than this. This is the biggest cable they make. Yeah, we're flowing out here.
Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the
It was loaded, and so you got two type of blockages. You got a hard blockage, that's gonna be like tree roots or sanitary napkins or wipes or something like that, you didn't have a hard blockage. You had a soft blockage. I had to keep on going back and forth, mixing up that loaded stuff to get it loose enough to be able to break free. Yes, ma'am. We're draining. You hear that? It said, I'm sorry and I'm not gonna do it again. Yes, ma'am, that's how it should sound. Like that. And so it's draining. We got that shower on still. And we got this on. Nothing's coming up the floor drain. And so both of those issues have been resolved. But again, and I know it might sound like a lot, please leave that shower on for another 15 minutes. It's pushing all that crap out that line so that it don't back up again on you.